On this video, we'll study the art brushes. Art brushes are vector forms that are stretched along the path. By default, you can see in the brush menu an art brush looking like this. So this is a vector form that is stretched along the path. If you zoom in, you can see that it's quite bad looking. Depending on the length of the path and the width of the stroke, the line looks really different. On this line, the same form is crammed to a smaller space. On rare occasions, you might need to use brushes similar to this. You can find a lot more of these from the extra menu on the brush menu, an open brush library, artistic, and for example, chalk, charcoal, pencil. I don't recommend using these strokes. You can create your own art brush from any form. One really useful art brush is a oval brush. I create a black oval shape and tell it to become a brush. Open the brush menu and click on the symbol of new. Now I select art brush, OK. The only edit I do for this brush is that I can change the color of the brush. Colorization, method, and tint. I click OK, and now I have a brush that is an oval stretched to the length of the path. This creates a beautiful worm-like stroke. If you have created nice-looking brushes, you can save them. Click on the extra menu on the brush menu and save brush library. Later on other documents, you can load these brushes. From the extra menu, open brush library and user-defined or other libraries.